What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Built for Performance. I'm Ryan. There's two other guys, Brian and Tony. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. And if you can, do me a big favor and hit that like button. Anyways, today we're going to be working on that again. I got another part in today, and I'm excited because let's just say I'm gonna need a lot of tissues. So let's get to it. It's time to reload. So, as you can see, I literally just got this in the mail. So we're gonna unbox it. If you know what this is, awesome. If not, you will find out soon. Cut the box and off the tape. That's great. Look at that. This side up, unpacked on a table or bench to prevent parts from falling when opening this sleeve. So let's pull this side up. So, this side up. You can pull it out. It's a cool little box. So, you still can't tell what it is. Learn more about the, yeah, I ain't learning more. I know what I got. Take that off. Oh look, they give you instructions. Awesome. So, you haven't figured it out yet? This is a blow-off valve. And with this, I can adjust how much blow-off I want and how much recirculating I want. So, I can choose whether I want a lot of blow off or all recirculating or half and half. So we're gonna get to installing this, and hopefully my phone doesn't die. We will see. So let's get to it. But first, we gotta start by taking this bolt off and this bolt off, and then undoing this clamp back here. Hopefully I can get to this without having to take off the whole intercooler. And then we gotta take this line off too, because that's the vacuum hose. So let's do that real quick. So we gotta take this piece off and put it on here. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's pretty easy. Just gotta take these two Phillips head screws out and change it without breaking the Phillips heads. Or stripping them, I mean. Just gonna give it a good push in and twist. So now it's ready to go back on to the car. So basically you do the same thing except backwards. They did give you these, which I might use. Probably gonna have to take this off. This just unscrews. Nothing too hard. Yeah, I think I'll use those because it makes it look cleaner. Like that. So basically you do the same thing except backwards. So put this hose on, put the clamp on, and then put this on. Or you can wait to put this on last. You can actually probably just screw it to the thing first, to the intercooler, and then put this on. This is easy to put on. This is difficult. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. kind of charging my phone, so this is gonna have to work. Right there. The blow off is installed. I'll have her put a picture right here of what it looks like. Right here. Alright, so it's installed. That big hose on the bottom was the hard part, because you don't really have a lot of room. Now, to make it easier, you can take the whole intercooler off, which tells you in the instructions, but I didn't feel like doing that because that's kind of, I feel like that's more of a pain in the butt than trying to fiddle with that hose. But if you can get the hose to move, once you break it loose, both of them actually, they're really easy to get off. It's just a little difficult to put back on. So that's installed. Now when my car is done retuning itself, because the exhaust is throwing check engine codes and it's overboosting, so I gotta put a different tune on it. So once that's done, I'll start her up and show you guys what it sounds like. So yeah, that's a pretty quick install, pretty easy, not hard to do. Pretty much anybody can do it, and I mean, they give you instructions. But hopefully that helped you guys install a blow-off valve on yours. This is a GFB blow-off, and you can adjust how much you want to vent to atmosphere or to recirculate. Clockwise is for the horn, for the blow-off to atmosphere, and then counterclockwise is to recirc. So pretty much anywhere in between. The instructions said for Subarus, they don't have any problems with doing 100% to atmosphere. So, and then it also said if you start experiencing backfires, if you're 100% atmosphere, then to just turn it counterclockwise so that it restarts back into the intake a little bit more until it resolves the problem. Give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below if you feel like it, if this helped you. If not, how can we improve it? But also don't forget to follow our Instagram account and Twitter accounts. They'll be linked down in the description below. And I will find the link for this too, again, and put that in the link in the description down below too. So yeah, see y'all next time, and stay fast.